Hi guys, so I thought I'd do a quick little update on the TWSBIs that I got. This one was my Christmas present and this one was hubby's Christmas present. He got the Amazonite, which is quite pretty. But we had an issue with this one. So the issue was that when he first tried it and he put the lid on the end cap, it got stuck, and so we couldn't actually get the end cap out, and by turning it, it would just take the entire mechanism out. So we had some issues there, and so we bought ours from Larry Post and we returned them. We sort of sent them the photos and the evidence, sorry, not returned them, and we showed them what happened, and it was very tight. So I guess about here you couldn't even get the cap on, so I think there was probably something wrong with the molding for the plastic here, and so yeah, they were nice enough to write to TWSBI on our behalf and get the pieces. So they got a new cap and a lid, new pen lid, and also an end cap to replace the old the one that came with my husband's one. And because of that, we were able to just reassemble it. So I've inked it, so I'm just going to try it now, and hopefully it all goes well. And it writes really good. We both got stub nibs to try out. And I just put in Ferris wheel press ink. It's a shimmer. Skies of Uproar. And it looks pretty good so far. Let's see if we can get the lid off the back. Yep, no problems, and that's what it should sound like. There's almost like a popping sound. And so it's all good. And Larry Post gave really, really good customer service, and everything was done very smoothly. And now hubby can enjoy his pen.